Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in B2B selling techniques, we will discuss about what is precisely in the first place B2B selling is all about, the difference between B2B selling and B2C selling, and what are the examples of a B2B selling. What is B2B selling? Business to business or B2B refers to a process wherein one company makes a commercial transaction with another company. That is a typical B2B selling. If a particular company is there and they are actually building certain products that are necessary and required for another company to make their own products, to manufacture their own products. This is basically an engagement between one company and another company. That is precisely what B2B selling is all about. A business may produce products, materials needed by another business to manufacture their own products. One company can build products, manufacture products, and those products will be delivered to another company so that they can use such products to manufacture their own products. A combination of two companies coming together to make one product. A business benefit from each other needs and requirements. This is basically a need and the requirement where one company is coming together with another company. They both are collaborating with each other to manufacture one company, wherein there is a win-win situation for both the companies. The selling cycle. A company builds products. Assuming that this is an example, A company builds certain products, B company requires such products. There is a company called A and there is a company called B. A company manufactures and builds certain products which are required by another company called B. A company sells to B company. A company is basically selling its own products to B company, and this B company is actually using such products to manufacture their own company. A company makes money because they are selling to B and B is manufacturing their own. B builds and sells its products and makes money. This company is selling to products and this company is actually using such products when A company makes money and B company makes money. This is a collaboration, a win-win situation from two different companies coming together to meet their own requirements, wherein a product is manufactured, delivered to another company. That company uses such products to make their own products and both actually generate business from collaborating each other. Now, what is the difference between a B2B and B2C? B2B is business to business. B2C is business to customers. In B2B business model, the end user always is another company or a business. In a B2B scenario, in a B2B business, the end user is always another company or another business. In a B2C, the end user is always a person or an individual. Say for example, I go out somewhere, I do online shopping or a traditional marketing, I buy a smartphone. It is B2C. That company is selling me a mobile phone. That is B2C. Whereas in B2B, one company is selling certain products to another company. There is a collaboration between two companies. One business company deals with another business company. The dealings happens between two different companies. A company or a business sells product to service to an individual customer. Transaction happens between two different companies. Here in B2B, transaction happens between the company and its customer. That is precisely the difference between a B2B and a B2C. Some of the examples of B2B. A tire manufacturer selling tires to an auto company. There is an auto company, they manufacture cars. When they manufacture cars, they need tires or some other products related to it. Could be a roof, it could be a paint, it could be anything. And they actually buy these products from another company. A tire manufacturer will sell tires to a company to use for their cars. That is a B2B. A supermarket buying food items from a wholesale dealer. If there is a supermarket, a departmental store, a grocery store, they are a company. They actually buy these goods from a wholesaler. Again, a B2B collaboration. An accounting firm servicing for multiple companies. There is an accounting firm ABC. What they do is they deal with another company so that they can do the servicing related to the accounting process. A company offering intermediates to a pharma company. When pharma company, they build products, tablets or medicines or drugs or injections, anything. They actually need intermediates, some products, and there is a company which actually builds and manufactures these intermediates, and they sell this to the pharma company. This pharma company uses such intermediates, again a B2B collaboration. So these are basically some of the examples of a B2B business model. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is B2B selling, what is B2B selling cycle, how the cycle works, and the difference between a B2B and a B2C model, and of course some of the examples of B2B selling. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.